Welcome to another flavor-packed episode with Duey C.K. Today, we're diving into spring with a recipe that's as vibrant as the season itself, lemon bars. Let's begin with the crust. Mix 1 cup of flour, a half cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup powdered sugar until crumbly. Press this mixture into a greased 8x8-inch pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now onto the zesty filling. Whisk together 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 large eggs, and a half cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. Pour over the baked crust and return to the oven for another 20 minutes. Once cooled, dust with powdered sugar and cut into squares. Delicious and refreshing. But did you know, lemons were once thought to ward off poisons and were highly prized by ancient sailors to prevent scurvy. Today, they're known for their vitamin C boost and versatility in cooking and baking. Now here's a myth buster. Despite popular belief, lemons are not unique in their citric acid content. Many fruits contain similar levels, but lemon's tartness makes it more noticeable. So enjoy your lemon bars and remember, the zest of life often lies in the smallest details. Stay tuned for more tasty tales and recipes with Duey C.K.